Welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
This is my 2018 Camaro SS. This car either takes me to work or to the drag strip. And I'm currently in the drag strip. If you want to see more of my races, please subscribe to my channel. It's right there. This is a 1SS package, but I do have the active mode exhaust. I have Brembo brakes with 20-inch wheels, a staggered set, which means the rear are wider than the front. Let me show you what's under the hood. And black cars, man, they're so hard to keep clean. The hood vents are functional, which is nice. And voila, a 6.2 liter LT1, 455 horsepower. This car has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. I rarely use them. There's a lag factor that I don't like. Let's start the car up. Not all the gauges are digital. At least 10 years from now, if something breaks, I can see how fast I'm going. And you can toggle through a few apps and performance settings and whatnot. Lateral acceleration, 0 to 60 timers. I disabled a few of them. I never really use them, but they're neat to have. Another cool feature is you have different display settings. I believe there's 3 of them. And I do it every month or so, and it feels like I drive a different car. It's kind of neat. Here's the other one that I like. It's neat. So I really like that feature. Anyways, as I previously mentioned, this car is equipped with the active mode exhaust, which through the infotainment you can make your car quieter or louder. I live in a condo complex, and my neighbors would hate me if my car was constantly loud. I really like this feature. Or you can sync it to your drive mode, and it will change based on your driving mode. On tour it's quieter, and sport and track gets louder. It's a must-have on a loud car. The vents are kind of neat. They're the controls for the temperature and airflow. I really like that. Anyways, let's see how this car sounds. Again, this car is my daily driver. It's got about 10,000 miles so far, and I race it a lot. I believe the 6th Gen Camaro is an amazing performance bargain. Thank you all for spending a few minutes to check out my car, and thank you, Scotty, for having me in your channel. I'm a huge fan. And everyone remember to race the track, not on the street. And thank you. Here's a few more clips.
Well, that was this week's video, and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.